Pasta carbonara. You need for this 50 grams of spaghetti, 50 grams of pancetta, 1/2 cup of creme fraiche, 50 grams of fresh peas, 1/2 an onion, diced, 1 egg, Parmesan cheese, as much as you want, 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped, and some olive oil. Fill a pot with water and bring it to boil. Add a pinch of salt and the spaghetti, then cook according to the instructions. In a large frying pan heat some olive oil, add the onion and the garlic. Once the onion has softened and turned a light caramel color, add the pancetta and the peas. Cook the ingredients on a medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring often. When the pancetta starts to get crispy, add the creme fraiche and stir. Once the pasta has cooked, add it to the pan along with a couple of spoonfuls of the water that you boiled it in. Crack an egg into the same pan, mixing it well with the spaghetti. Once the egg is cooked, remove the pan from the heat and garnish with Parmesan.